Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol FAMI. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, the pullback on this one continues, so certainly some updates need to be made. Now, it's not like it was a drastic pullback or anything like that, but it does still prompt some updates that need to be made. And the first update is that I'm just going to go ahead and adjust this area of support. But the question becomes, right, well, what direction is this adjustment being made? And now that we have more data, let me squeeze this down here a little bit. The next key overall level of support to keep an eye on would be that previous breakout point right down there at 52 cents. So if you go through the history of things, that was a former resistance, former resistance, former resistance. And when resistances are broken, you want to see them act as support. And that is exactly what happened right there. But the key dynamic there is I did adjust that level of support in the downwards direction. Now, does that mean that everything is ruined and that the chart's going to continue on down? Absolutely not. No such thing as a guarantee. My point here is that as a general rule of thumb, you want to see levels of support needing to be adjusted in the upwards direction, not the downwards. So while that's not the end of the world that occurred, it's just one of those things to note that does imply that the price did put in a lower low here. But 52 cents now going to be that main level of support. If the price does not hold above there, next key level after that point would then be down there right around the 50-cent mark. Now, in the event the price does try to bounce back upwards, as far as areas of resistance are concerned, it's all about that 55-cent mark, so keep a very close eye on that, like I said, with any sort of attempted turnaround. But headed into Friday, though, these are going to be the main levels. So overarching-wise, the trend is fine. This thing is still in an overall uptrend. Big pullback right now, no doubt about that. But it's just a question now of when is this pullback going to finally start to kind of stabilize out, and that remains to be seen. But we'll see if that can start to happen or not on Friday. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.